Hey guys, welcome back once again to another unboxing video. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of this MAC Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna speak Tagalog English kasi napapagod na akong mag-English the whole time, guys. So I'm just gonna put subtitle down below. So mag-Taglish lang tayo ngayon, no? So ito yung box ng MAC. Ayan, so this is a mascara and a lipstick, guys. So yung lipstick is free lang siya. It's actually free, so I feel so lucky. So dumating siya the other day and hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. So today lang kasi I feel lazy. So i-unbox lang natin, guys. And as you notice, I'm not wearing makeup, just eyebrow and that's it. A bit of blush on, but nawala na siya, guys. Wala na siya. And I'm not wearing any lipstick because I wanna try this one. Gusto ko siyang i-review, yung mascara at saka yung lipstick ng MAC. So kaya hindi tayo nag-makeup ngayon. So ito na siya, guys. Very well packed. I only have 2 items and ang laki ng box. Sorry for my pimple, guys. Ayan, ignore lang. So, this is the mascara. Ayan. So, it's an Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara Volume. So, hindi pa ako nakatry ng mascara sa MAC. So, try ko lang to kung maganda siya. Ito siya, guys. The packaging is so simple. So, meron siyang MAC na daw. Meron siyang mga MAC na print. So, ayan. I'm not sure if you can see, guys. So, that's the packaging. So, let's open it. So, ito siya, guys. So, i-try lang natin sa lashes ko. The pimple is so annoying. I like the handle. It's so comfy. And it's long. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I want to put mascara first before curling it, guys. That's my way. Kasi for me, parang magstay yung curl niya. Magstay yung curl niya if maglagay ka first ng mascara. For me lang. Alright, so this is it. So this is it, guys. This is my eyelashes after putting the mascara, the MAC mascara. So what do you think? Ayan, but for me it's okay. I can see na naglong siya, but it's not what I expected na mag volume kasi as what it said na mag volume, but hindi man siya nag volume. Hindi siya nag-volume. And parang nag-long siya. Tumaas siya, but hindi siya nag-volume. It's not that what I expected because I expect na mag-volume talaga. And because I have Maybelline. I'm using a Maybelline mascara as well. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what I'm using as well, guys. The Maybelline mascara. Maybelline The Colossal Go Extreme. So itong may yellow na print dito, ayan. And I can definitely say na mari-recommend ko talaga siya, guys. I truly recommend this one kasi nagvo-volume talaga siya and I really love this mascara, guys. I've been using this for years now and loyal ako nito. So nag-try lang ako ng MAC because I'm paying so much for this. This is quite expensive. So I expect too much as well because Maybelline is quite cheap. It's not really cheap, but it's affordable compare the MAC. But it's okay. It's not bad, the MAC. But I think I'm gonna stick this one. The Maybelline. I love this one kasi nag-volume talaga siya and nag-long talaga yung lashes mo plus volume pa. So, I prefer this one. I love this. The MAC, it said 3D black lash volume. But, hindi naman siya nag-volume. I don't think my lashes looks volume. Nah, it's alright. It's okay. So, I bought this for 44 New Zealand dollars. So, for me, it's quite expensive already for just a mascara. So, if i-convert ko siya into peso, mga nasa 1,500. If converted, like estimated lang, depende sa dollar. So, itong Maybelline, mga nasa 20 bucks lang. So, if converted into pesos, mga nasa 700 pesos. So, affordable lang naman siya, guys, compare nito, itong MAC. Kasi it's like you're paying the brand as well, di ba? So, next one is this MAC lipstick. So, the shade is Whirl. Whirl, Whirl, Whirl. So, I've been looking this shade for a long time kasi mahilig ako sa mga nude lipsticks, guys. But, I have lots of nude lipstick already from MAC. So, kaya hindi na lang ako bumibili nito. But, since nag-sale yung MAC last month, like end of last month, nag-sale sila na if you buy one, you can get one free lipstick. So, kaya, that's the reason why I bought the mascara just to have this. So, it was a great deal kasi kung bibilhin mo to alone, medyo may kamahalan siya, guys. So, sa mall, dito, $40. I'm not sure if how much dyan sa Pilipinas, but medyo may kamahalan siya. So, great deal na din. So, I just grabbed the promotion. So, ito na, guys. Itatry na natin ito. Kaya hindi na ako ng lipstick ko. Putla-putla ako na, guys. I can't wait to try this. I hope the shade will fit me. So, this is the MAC, the packaging. Wow, I like the shade. So that's the Whirl. Nice. It's so pigmented, guys. That's why I love MAC lipstick. And it's matte finish as well. My lips is so dry. Sorry, guys. It's winter here, so I didn't put any lip balm, so that's why it's so dry. So pigmented. Wow. So this is the Whirl shade. It looks like coffee color, like a chocolate. I like it, guys. It's nice for nighttime or even daytime, and then just light makeup. And this one, it's really nice. So that's it, guys. That's all my vlog for today, and thank you once again for watching. But before I forget, I would like to shout out someone, my cousin in Philippines, Jessa Marie Osabel. Big shout out sa you, Dai. Thank you so much for the support. She loved watching my videos, guys, and I'm so grateful for her support. And to all my silent viewers as well, thank you very much for watching, for the support. I'm so grateful to have you guys, and thank you very much even though you didn't comment anything, but I know you're out there, so thank you. And to all my team Sabris, and to our alliance team, Team Bayot Squad, thank you so much for the support as well, and shout out to you guys. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I love you all.